Hi, I'm Aniruth Sarathy, Global Solutions Manager with Google Cloud. In this video, you will learn about the different options, tools and techniques available to modernize your legacy applications. Many enterprise customers are struggling to modernize existing legacy applications. I've seen quite a few companies that run in-house, bare metal on-prem legacy applications developed 30 years ago that haven't moved to the cloud yet. Maybe the technology they use isn't suited for a complete overhaul, or maybe the business doesn't know where to get started. It would be nice to have a way to quickly identify actionable next steps on the road to modernization. Now that's where tools like CAST Assessment, Google's Fit Assessment tool, mfit, and Google Cloud API Management Apigee can help. CAM's Application Rationalization process provides a prescriptive approach to modernize applications. If you're unfamiliar with Cloud Application Modernization Program or CAM, make sure to watch our CAM overview video. Taking the time to do this before starting migration allows you to look at business needs before starting to optimize or improve applications and processes. It is recommended to iterate this process in waves of application. This typically depends on how your organization is set up. The business needs identified in the assessment, along with the technical analysis, will let you know which of the R is right for you. Depending on the levels of access into the source code you have and the number and types of resources you have, the migration route that's best for you will change. Let's talk about that more in depth. Now, if you have access to the source code, you can choose to refactor or re-architect your application with the CAST assessment. CAST enables you to quickly perform the first step toward a cloud adoption or migration journey. App rationalization, which is a process for determining when applications should be retired, retained, rehosted, replatformed, refactored, or reimagined. CAST is focused on the application layer and provides automated source code analysis of hundreds of applications for cloud readiness, open source risks, resiliency, and agility. Objective software insights combined with qualitative surveys for business context, so you can catalog and review current application environments and identify opportunities for investment, rationalization, cloud migration, and improvement. These objective software insights are combined with qualitative surveys for business context, allowing business owners to make more strategic decisions about what to refactor and when. If you only have access to a running virtual machine, you will want to use the Fit Assessment tool, mfit, to see how ready your workload is for a lift and shift into the cloud or other modernizations. Our Migrate to Containers tool can migrate to Google Compute Engine, Cloud Run, GKE Autopilot by consuming the output from the Fit Assessment tool. Finally, if you don't want to refactor or rewrite your application or service, you can choose to encapsulate legacy API using Apigee. Apigee, Google's Cloud API Management tool, accelerates your modernization journey by unlocking and allowing legacy data and applications to be consumed by the new cloud services. As a result, organizations can launch new mobile, web, and voice experiences for customers. So to recap, there are 3 different options for you to modernize legacy applications. First, if you have access to the source code and are considering refactoring it, you can run the CAST assessment for helpful analysis and insights. Second, if you don't have access to the source code, you can use the Fit Assessment tool to assess your workload's fit for a lift and shift to the cloud. And third, if you don't want to code at all, you can encapsulate your legacy application inside of a Google Cloud API Management. Each of these has different trade-offs depending on your unique applications, so be sure to check out our campus assessment tools. Also remember that you have migration options. If you have funding available through Google Cloud, such as partner services, PSO funding, or PSO credits, you can use part of that funding to do the assessment and/or workload migration. Or you can use the free tools that Google has made available to run your own assessment and then use the information learned to migrate on your own. Or you could mix and match by using Google's free assessment tools, but bringing in a partner to do the migration. And if you're not sure who to partner with, reach out to your Google rep who can suggest one. So there you have it, an overview of how you can get started modernizing legacy applications using the CAST assessment, the FIT assessment tool, and Apigee. Make sure to check out the other videos in our CAMP series where we talk about an overview of CAMP, GKE optimization, and best practices and tools for containerized development. Thank you for watching.